Okay, it's 19th of August 2026. We just had 8:30 news, which was FOM's. Wait, hang on. Oh, well, there's going to be news later today. It wasn't 8:30 news, but I tried to stay off the charts until New York Open. So we're just about 15 minutes away from that. We can see that price has shown signs of reversal. So it's taken out this Tuesday low. And we had a pretty tight Asia range, pretty tight London range as well. We did see a 15-minute BISI support price here, in which just about 30 we see that expansion, so that break of structure towards the upside, and creating a 15-minute BISI here, which I would like to use as an entry going to New York. I don't want to be entering too early because the New York Open might retrace further than we always anticipate. But yeah, the upside is I'd like to see this as the weekly low printed here and for prices to move higher, as we are still quite bullish on the higher time frame, as we can see. So yeah, no entry yet. Just gonna wait till 9:30 open, and yeah, I mean, a lot of potential for price here. I did catch the short from London session yesterday, so that was good. Was able to get funded again, but decided to trade New York, and we can see that there wasn't any strong follow through in price, and we eventually get stopped out for the maximum for the day. So now we are down 1,300. So we're just about under $700 worth of drawdown. Looking to see if we can get back to break even. I wouldn't even mind, given the potential for price to move higher, to extract a bit more than that. I was saying, upon waking up and reflecting on yesterday's performance, I really need to review my rules and strategy. I definitely have it. It's just a matter of sticking to it and then being able to prove that these rules and strategies can work over time. And one of the rules is that I only really want to trade New York session. I found that that's worked best for me. I shouldn't really mess around with other sessions, despite how much it has moved. Like for example, yesterday. That range there, that Asia range there. That's a New York size move, if anything, because this is overnight price action in Eastern Standard Time. So, given if I were to stick to my rules, which was to trade only New York session, then this would have been a day for me to actually take a break, which I think would be more beneficial to me in the long run because I wouldn't have to had to deal with the mental stress of waiting super super long for a trade to complete or have even bothered to do anything during New York. So this would have been a break day. um yeah, so what I'm looking for is a small Asia range uh consolidation during London as well. And that would mean that price action would typically be a bit more favorable um, during New York morning session, which is the main uh, session that I like to trade. But obviously, it's very discretionary as well. So it's not a hard and set rule, but you know I want to be able to implement that more strictly so that I actually find days where I can take a break. Because what I found is for some reason, convinced myself that I need to be making trades every day. And in doing so, uh, inevitably, if I were to take trades every day, then, you know, that would mean that my quality or like my filter for A plus setups would uh, would be less likely. It would be less likely that I would find A plus setups. The overall quality of my trades that I'm taking are less. So yeah, I if I was able to eliminate, these days, previous week we had PPI, CPI, and NFP. If I were to just avoid all those days, I probably wouldn't have lost the accounts. So that's something that I'm constantly trying to remind myself. Yeah, so yeah, really really strong. Like there's a lot of willingness for price to go higher today. Um, Now it's just a matter of seeing if we can position ourselves. Just want to see, just want to wait and see what the open will provide for us in terms of an entry. I'm happy to wait because as price where price is at right now, uh, it's not something that I would want to enter on because it's already moved there and there is a potential for it to retrace into this BISI. So if I see a nice retracement into here, I'd still be looking to go long. And one of the questions I always ask myself is, are the market conditions conducive to an A plus setup? Is it conducive for me to likely make a profitable trade today? And I could have easily answered no to the past 2 weeks, essentially, but I just keep getting involved into uh, trades that I shouldn't be in. we could also find an entry here. If price is looking really strong, this is a 5-minute inversion here. We see that price is being supported at these levels, retracement support, push higher. And then ideally we want to see a retracement into this area where price has expanded. Okay, we're just 30 seconds away from open. This is an inversion, like a SIBI, reclaimed SIBI, that's being utilized here right at open. You see the candle bodies closing below consequent encroachment of that. So there's a lot of sellers defending this area. And using that, hopefully we get a push down. I'll be looking to enter just give it a minute or so. let's just enter the stop loss below here. Damn, that's not what I want to see. Yeah, okay. Looks like I'm going to get stopped out here. And once I get stopped out here, it's just game over for these funded accounts again. There we go. Stopped out. Yeah. So lost another lot of funded accounts. Unfortunately, weren't able to get that follow through. I mean, I guess it's stuck between some high high resistance liquidity here. So price is jabbing deeper and deeper into this BISI. Yep. Yeah. So it's a deeper retracement than expected, but I'm hoping that price will be supported, or this BISI will support price so that we get a continuation to the upside. really deep retracement. Wow. Okay, so it's completely blasted through the. This is a 1 hour BISI. Could it be going for these equal lows here? Mm-mm-mm. It's hard to say. I mean, I wouldn't hit buy right now. I mean, I could. Let's just try it. So I'm in for another long here. So then set a new, fresh new accounts. Damn, yeah. It is not looking good. Yep. I'm gonna get stopped out pretty quickly here, I think. I mean, if there's any place for price to reverse, it'd be here. I got to remember to almost treat trading like a game. Um, I definitely trade a lot worse when I get too emotionally involved into it. And when you treat it like a game, um, it becomes more logical and strategic as opposed to, acting on emotional decisions. Yep. Stopped out. Jeez. Okay. I guess. I guess it's short then. Hmm. Okay. Full send. Wait till this candle closes. If price is not able to hold, then we're looking to move lower into a weekly BISI. Yep. Wow. Price is absolutely dumping. Jesus. Okay, let's get in there. Jeez. Far out. Yeah, I think just the hourly candle close. Shit, just gonna get stopped out. Yeah, we're getting stopped out here. Yep, stopped out. Just wondering if I could take a long here because it's tapped into an end dog. New day opening gap. Get some. Got a nice reaction off of that. I mean, would it be crazy to just buy here? Like, Okay. Yep. And stop there. Again. Fortunately, wasn't able to get much out of that. This another just losing trading day. This is what it is. So what happened here? It's tapped into this inversion fair value gap, and yeah, that inversion fair value gap. Not inversion, but this is actually a reclaimed CB. CB, reclaimed CB from yesterday's London session. That alone was enough to trigger really big sell to the downside. Price retraced up into this BISI, now turned again inversion fair value gap, and we might see continuation of price lower. I think I'm definitely over leveraged. So yeah, price had a big expansion here, and yeah, it looks like it's going to continue going lower, targeting these lows here. Okay. Oh, well, that's too bad. It's another day on the charts. So bad, so bad. All right. Yep. It's just pushing down now. Look at that. I had a bullish bias, so I think that's what that's how I ended up here in this situation. That's okay. We live to trade another day. Okay.